No. Alright, we're recording.
Are we all playing against them?
I guess so. Alright, hey, you want to take left side and cover along the wall?
That's bullshit. We should have way more people.
Alright, be aware. Guys back here.
We have 7, 8.
Rusty, be aware that if they start getting overrun, they're going to fall back to us. We're going to give them cover fire.
We have 8 guys on defense.
You guys good over there?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, don't mind me pointing. I just got the camera running.
I just haven't recorded yet. This is going to be...
I have. I figure why not, man. It's always good to have a little more than too little. We can always edit it.
Oh yeah, I can. A badass program.
Now be careful if they get inside that fucking room right there. If they get in that room and they're coming back, we're gonna hose the doorway and the window for cover.
What's the objective here?
Pushback.
Pushback?
Yeah, we're defending.
So if they get into that room, we just...
Yeah, I'm saying if they gotta pull back, we're gonna throw down on the doorway and the window so that they can't shoot while they're retreating.
Ammo.
Okay.
Well, keep it on semi. Okay, you're on left side. Watch that hallway. If you see anybody, call them out. Let everyone know where they're at. I know I got a bunch of Army guys here. Y'all know that, but some of these guys don't know that. Boy, you're all jingly today.
I know.
Oh, put that shit in your pocket.
I left my keys.
All right, looks like what's going on? We got people coming up. Roger.
Sweet, now we got 10.
All right, where do we need people? We can probably use another one on the left side. Which way are they going? Right side? All right, where? Okay, we're gonna need another guy or two on the left side over here.
I'll just try to hold back as far as
All right, if these guys got to pull back and run back to us, we're going to cover fire them.
We already got on the left side.
Okay. I'm going to be floating. This central area is going to be the rough spot because we got a long shot all the way down the end of the hallway.
I can hit it all the way down.
Yeah. I'm saying so can they though.
Accurately though.
We'll be all right.
10-14?
What's that? Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, gentlemen, get ready. I got a shot down the straight line too here. Yep.
Eric, you see this right here? There's an opening.
What do you got?
You see this opening right here?
Yeah.
We got it.
You'll know if they're coming through here because we're going to be falling back. If we got to fall them back, we'll reconsolidate and we'll cover all these holes.
Yeah, okay. Fall back to the counters.
Pretty much, yeah. We got enough guys. We should be able to hold this area indefinitely. Why does he start counting at 15? I'm just curious. 5 seconds. Okay, we got guys moving right. Center's still clear. What do you got? Okay, we're taking... Okay, they're pushing on the left. What do you got? Where they at?
There's 2 of them showing at that far end. I'll go low and go high.
All right, yeah, they're way the hell down there.
One moving up.
I got them halfway up. Get ready to pull back. Watch your left side. Let's go. Parker, left side. They're halfway up. I got this. You cover left. Shit. Fuck me, dude. Oh, there's ricochets and shit back here. We got him moving right. What do we got?
Still moving up on the left side.
Roger.
One in the bunker closer to us.
All right, I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna move up. Fuck me. I gotta kick that one as a hit. That's probably a ricochet, but I'm gonna take it. All right, pulling out.